Yo, what's up, guys? Today me and Chess the Nerd are here. You want to say hi?
First of all, I'm not a nerd.
You are a nerd. All right, but guys, we're both gonna be getting the copper key. So hop in my Lamborghini, and they made the steps easier, and I have them on my other screen right now. And basically I was playing yesterday, and I got one step away, and I got to the part where I needed to find the box in the train, and I could not get it, so I just gave up. Plus we had to go leave. I do have the graphics low, just so it doesn't lag, but I know this map pretty well. So basically, you could do this stuff day or night now. Literally, just drive over the one and then crash. Chess, did you get the cutscene?
No, it's only works for you because
Oh.
you're going to park. No,
Do you have the SUV purchased?
no,
Alright. Do you have the Mini Cooper purchased?
no.
Do you have any cars?
Lamborghini,
Oh.
but I have to walk.
No, you can come in. Oh,
I'm a homeless guy.
here. Alright. So now, you need to rob either the train, bank, or jewelry store. Which the jewelry store and bank should open at the same time. So, just rob one of those. God, I hate playing on low graphics, but I have to whenever I'm recording, or else it'll be super laggy. Alright, it's not open. Oh yeah, guys, you could also do it in VIP servers now, which is awesome. So, if you have a VIP server, definitely try to do it. If you do not have a VIP server, then I don't know. Try to friend somebody with them.
Jeez, I got a rocket fuel. What do you?
I want to turn my graphics up for 1 second. Alright, and turn them back down. Gotta wait till the train comes. They said the third car of the train now will always contain the lock box thing. The bank and jewelry should open soon. Here, Chess, let's do the first step for you at least.
But I need to get to the cutscene thingy.
Oh, I thought you were still in my car. I was gonna take you to the limit, but you're already there. I like how my car is literally almost as fast as yours. And I'm in an SUV and you're in a Lamborghini.
No, it's not. You're so slow.
I'm not that far behind you.
Um,
Haha.
just wait.
Alright, yeah, just go drive in that wall. Wait, while I'm here, I might as well grab the hyperbike.
Wow! Use my rocket fuel. Oh my god, I hate this.
Alright, let's go. I hate when it's dark in this game. It's starting to remind me of Miner's Haven.
Yes, I got the cutscene. Chicken guy. He's my daddy.
Oh, okay. Alright, let's see if anything's open. Bank's open, bank's open.
I'm not there.
You better hurry.
I can make it a time.
You only have to steal like $1.
Okay.
Oh, I hear the train coming too.
Which one are you doing?
I'm doing the bank, because I already got in here. I just heard the train while I was in here.
Oh my god.
I never realized the vault actually kind of takes really long to open.
Oh, I'm stuck.
Alright, I'm trying not to waste too much time, so let's just grab a little bit of money.
I'm stuck. Oh no, I'm stuck.
Yeah, you only need to rub one. You used to have to rub all 4 stores. Alright. I've done all the steps but the last one, so I have pretty good knowledge of like what to do. Mm-hmm. Can I drive under this? No, I cannot.
No stuff.
Alright, I'm already at the waterfall. Just rob the jewelry store. It should be open.
I'm stuck. I'm trying. Oh my god.
Any number. 6. 333 3350. Is that right? Yep. It used to not tell you the codes. 3333360. 874. They basically took like the whole challenge away from this though. Like I feel like the only thing they should have done different was just made it in VIP servers. Alright, the lockpick will be in the first red box car. Come on. I robbed a bank for $84.
$84.
If you ever rob a bank in real life, try to get a little bit more than $84. Oh, I heard the train whenever I was in the bank, so it's probably gonna be a bit until the next one comes. Oh, Josh joined. Alright, let's go.
Yes, the jewelry is open.
If you do it fast, you might be able to do the steps before the train comes.
I'm just getting cooking, and that's it.
Josh just said he got expelled.
Aha. It's cool.
Dude, I've gotten in trouble in school before, but I've never gotten expelled.
Stay with me. I don't even get in trouble. Because I'm a nice kid.
Oh yeah, guys, so if you haven't seen all my Discord announcements, let me just pull that up.
What are you doing?
Yeah, so this is Chess now. He
Oh my god.
he looks exactly like me. And there's also Chess under the bike, but
Hey, you were taking advantage because I was lagging.
aha.
I don't like this confetti thingy. It's so annoying.
Alright, the train's coming, Chess.
I'm not gonna make it. I'm still in the laser part.
Alright, this is the third car. So let's just try not to glitch out.
Nothing keep playing me for taking him. I'm like the nice tail.
Yay. That's cool.
You got it?
Yeah, there's this box in here. Do I have to stay in here? Alright, no. Where am I? Any motorcycles? Chess, where are you?
Laser part.
Huh? Oh,
Laser part on the jewelry.
I'm kind of stranded right now. I got off at a horrible time.
Oh my god, Matthew, no. No, don't do that to me.
Alright, guys, so I literally like this is where I was last time I was playing this yesterday, and it's actually been like I was playing for like 2 hours and I just got to this part. And how long have I been recording? Like 10 minutes? Yeah, 10 minutes and 15 seconds, guys. Now all I need to do is go to this place and play this game or something and get like 100 points, and then I get the copper key or whatever key. I don't really remember. I just want the hat and just to say I actually got it. Wait, where am I going? I'm going the total wrong way.
Pyro Piggery, yay! You found a fractured piece of Jack fractured and So now do I have to go to the waterfall?
Yeah, I'm probably gonna be there whenever you're there. Cause I'm there right now. All right, guys, let's go. Let's play. All right, this isn't that hard. So I need to get 100 points. Wait, can I autoclick? I can. It's.
Hey, stop cheating.
And yeah. Meet the devs and.
You're a cheater.
So let's look in my inventory.
Is it easy?
Oh, guys, I have it. It's hard.
No, I'll be right back. I have to choose a new school.
Haha.
He has to choose a new school. I feel bad for him.
All right. Well, yeah, guys, that's how you get the copper key in one video that is less than 15 minutes long. So yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more awesome videos. Don't forget to check out my Discord and fan group, a link in the description below. And let's just watch chess slow motion drive away.
Stop making fun of my leg.
Those fidget spinners. Chess is lagging so bad. I could literally drive under you.
Stop.
Alright, well, yeah, guys. Peace.